Hartford in Burlington County offers a blend of suburban comfort and natural beauty. However, seasonal weather, from heavy rains to sudden storms, can lead to severe water damage. If not addressed immediately, water damage can quickly escalate into mold growth and biohazard contamination. That's why Restoration Specialist provides fast, professional water damage restoration in Hartford, New Jersey, to keep your home safe. Our team quickly extracts water, dries affected areas, and prevents long-term structural issues. The more prolonged moisture lingers, the greater the risk of mold and costly repairs. We specialize in restoring properties affected by flooding, plumbing failures, and storm-related water damage. Our advanced drying techniques help minimize downtime and protect your investment. If left untreated, water damage can compromise indoor air quality and weaken structural integrity. Our certified technicians use industry-leading methods to restore your space efficiently. We don't just remove water. We thoroughly sanitize, dehumidify, and repair affected areas. Your health and safety are our top priorities. Call us today at 609-669-2155 or visit restoration-specialist.com/areas-served/Burlington-County-NJ/Hartford. Restoration Specialists, restoring homes, protecting lives.